we can use AI tools in your research writing process. So we are not familiar how to write a research paper. So we have a different guideline, different direction from our supervisor, from our PI, from our junior or senior research members. So we can note that how we can write the research paper. If we use the AI tools along with our theoretical knowledge, the process of writing is easy. So in this workshop, I would like to work to introduce you many different topics related to research writing process. You will understand how to explore or your research topic and develop literature review strategy along with research gap questions. So how will you draft your manuscript, and when paper is your ready, how will submit into particular journal, or how you can check is your paper is ready or not. So the uh, so this is a step-by-step roadmap which we will use during my presentation. I we will first discuss about the ethical issue and the guideline related to different AI tools that we use in paper writing. Then we will use perplexity.ai for searching the relevant literature and understand the research topic. Then we will use SciSpace to read the research paper. And at the first step, we will use reference manager, the Zotero, which will act as both a collection of a research paper, also as a note taking app. And then we will find the literature with the help of the litmap and write the paper with paperball and find the journal with Jane Journal Finder. So if I say you that I want to research a paper, or I want to discover a paper, or I want to discover on a specific topic, for example, I want to study on chemotherapy. So what should I do? Should I go to the lab, or should I go to the library, find out the relevant book and start researching on that particular topic? So, do you think that this type of the research is also present in our lab? Do you think like if I give you example, like in 1990, professor used to read books to find out the relevant literature and to make a different protocols for their scientific research or scientific study, and then implement it and note the relevant result into their notebook and publish into the journals. So this is the last era trend, how professors and different our PIs used to find out the relevant literature. But now, in the days, this this approach may be appropriate, but we think this is a advanced field and advanced era. So this might be a time consuming and time taking, and it required a lot of input to prepare such papers and to receive or to get that relevant information that are already present in the computer. So we use Google or PubMed or Scholars to give to receive that particular information from the internet. We find out the relevant literature from the Google Scholars, and to study hard what kind of trend is going on in the industry, and what are the future expectation of from the particular relevant topics. So, but now from the recent years, from the last 10 days, the evolution of the AI totally changed the scenario. How these AI powered academic search engine help you to find out the relevant information. So here is the question, how AI is involved in this research. For example, if you type a question on a Google, you get a lot of links of that particular keyword that may be unorganized, that may be sometime related to research paper, that means sometime related to research article, that may be sometime related to any research blog or to maybe a university site. So you get irrelevant information sometimes. But with the emerging of the AI tools, and that AI tool will integrate with this academic-based search engine, you only get a relevant answers. You get only relevant papers. If you want to select a research blog, you can get a research blog. If you want to get a research articles, you can only get a research article. If you want a research papers or research books, you only get that particular link, but you don't get any sponsored link or any other link. This is how AI is change the searching trend of the researcher in the academic. As you can see, what is the 70% and what is the 17%? That 17% journals only focused on the banned AI content.